Jotform Workflows Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Jotform Workflows are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Jotform Workflows, a powerful business automation tool designed to automate workflows and simplify processes. Whether you're a small team or a large organization, Jotform Workflows streamlines your operations, reduces manual tasks, and enhances overall productivity. One of the standout features of Jotform Workflows is its drag and drop builder, which allows you to easily create and customize workflows without any coding knowledge. The intuitive interface makes it accessible to anyone, from beginners to experienced professionals. With this builder, you can set up automated approval processes, task assignments, notifications, and much more, all with just a few clicks. Jotform Workflows is especially great for businesses that need to manage forms and data collection. You can create detailed forms that automatically trigger actions based on submissions. For example, once a form is filled out, it can trigger an email, assign tasks to team members, or even update your CRM. This level of automation saves time and eliminates human error, improving efficiency across the board. The conditional logic feature is another highlight, allowing you to set specific rules for each workflow step. This ensures that the right action is taken based on the input provided, creating a more streamlined and accurate process. Whether you're automating a simple approval process or a more complex multi-step workflow, Jotform handles it with ease. In addition, Jotform Workflows integrates seamlessly with other tools, including popular platforms like Google Sheets, Dropbox, and Slack, which ensures that your business data flows smoothly between systems. You can also track workflow progress in real time, ensuring visibility and accountability at every stage. To wrap up, Jotform Workflows is a versatile and user-friendly automation tool that's perfect for businesses looking to automate repetitive tasks, improve data management, and enhance team collaboration. Whether you're in HR, marketing, or project management, Jotform offers the flexibility and customization you need to optimize your workflows. Check out the description for links to start automating your business processes with Jotform Workflows today.